Alright, I got a bit of a new build to show you guys here. It's gonna be kind of a short video. Uh, so this is the computer that I got to build in school. I got to take it home. I didn't have to pay a single dime for this thing, and it's a pretty well spec'd machine. Um, the case is really nice. I really like the case. A lot of RGB in it. I'll show you that when I power it up. It's got an Intel Core i5. I think it's the 11th gen, or is it the 10th? I think it's the 11th. I think that's 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'm not a wow. I got taught. It's like I think it's like 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's your cooler right there. Your big giant heatsink. Yeah, and this thing has a pretty good power supply. It's missing a graphics card though, unfortunately. Thing is, I don't know if I'll have room for one because I gotta throw in a Wi-Fi card into one of these Ethernet slots, or in one of these PCI slots, because as you can see, this tiny room, there's not going to be any Ethernet ports over here. So yeah, I guess if I wanted to add in an extra drive, I guess I can. I might do that. I am missing a mouse for this setup. This mouse I lost the dongle for, so yeah. And I have another one that the dongle fell apart on. This guy up here. That mouse up there. So, yeah, we're gonna power this thing on for you guys. The power switch on the top. I think it's your reset switch. This thing's lit. All RGB all the way around. Well, at least all the fans are. And originally this thing was missing RAM, so it wouldn't post, but now it's posting. Now it works. So it boots right up. We've installed a unofficial Windows 10 version on it, so yeah. Nathan Nelson 472 at or Nelson Nathan 472 at gmail.com. Yeah. So let me see if I can get to showing you what the specs are. Yeah, Tascam GR. I'm trying to do this with the keyboard here. How do I? Okay, here we go. I'm going old school here. I'm using the keyboard, no mouse. How do I tab over to where I need to tab over? Oh, I got it. Oh, there you go. Here we go. Oh no, this one's got the 10th gen CPU. Yeah, so an Intel Core i5, 10600K CPU, 4.10 gigahertz. Those are pretty good processors. So this thing's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, even though it's single channel. But that means I could upgrade it with 32 gigs if I threw in another stick in there. So that's a good start. Let's see. Space and space. All right. Yep. And then I got no GPU. I got the Intel graphics, which are actually kind of okay for what I'm using this thing for. But yeah, it's not a bad machine. Oh yeah, this thing's also got a 256 gigabyte Kingston oh god, what is it called? What's this right here? That's the drive that's in this thing. It's 256 gigabytes. So yeah. So there's also gonna be another very long video coming up, and that's well, that video's gonna be uploaded first because I want it in order, and then I'm gonna upload I'm gonna be uploading a video of when I went into the boiler room of the school, and I got it's kind of an interesting video. It wasn't the best film, but it's kind of an interesting video. But anyway, so we're gonna go and shut this off. This video will be uploaded after that video. And those RGB fans are pretty lit. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next one. Bye, guys.